Hello, everyone. Today I will explain the YouTube copyright claim problem in 2026. Many creators panic when they see a copyright claim and they think their channel is in danger, but most claims are not the same as strikes. First, understand the difference. A copyright claim means YouTube's system detected copyrighted content in your video. This usually affects monetization, not your channel status. A copyright strike, on the other hand, is more serious. Next, know why claims happen. Claims usually come from background music, short clips, sound effects, or even gameplay music. Even a few seconds can trigger Content ID automatically. Now, check your options. YouTube usually gives you choices like trim the claimed part, mute the audio, replace the music, or share revenue. Choosing the right option depends on whether you own the content or not. If you believe the claim is wrong, you can dispute it. Only dispute if you truly have rights, fair use, or permission. False disputes can turn a claim into a strike, so be careful. To avoid future claims, use royalty-free music, YouTube audio library, or licensed content. Also keep proof of licenses in case you need them later. So yeah, copyright claims are common and usually manageable. Understand the difference, choose the right action, and protect your channel properly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.